My name is Dr. Julie Derbyshire. I'm an Associate Professor in Nursing and I'm Head of Apprenticeships at Northumbria University, where I've worked for 21 years. So I lead on the Registered Nurse Degree Apprenticeship Programme, which is an 18-month programme for people who are employed healthcare employees, who are maybe nurse associates or assistant practitioners or have previous degrees. On a typical day in a placement, if they're a nursing degree apprenticeship, they would be under supervision of a practice assessor who would sort of supervise them, monitor what they're doing, but it could be anything from, personal care, doing an injection, learning how to do intravenous drugs, being able to recognise a deteriorating patient and acting on that, handing over patients to the next shift. It could be taking someone to theatre, really learning on the job. And a lot of these apprentices have got experience anyway, but it might be a brand new area. So it's learning the different conditions in that area, learning what the terminology means, and fitting in with the team and having that sense of belonging in those different areas. Apprenticeships to me are the way forward. They're for people who are employed, who previously wouldn't be able to do degrees, maybe because of cost of living, because of finances, because of security in their job roles. So this is an opportunity for some of these employers who are interested in healthcare careers to be a registered professional and want to do further qualifications. It means they get paid to do it, so they get their salary, which really helps some of these employees who, as I said previously, wouldn't be able to do that. I think all apprenticeship programmes contribute to social mobility and social inclusion and the widening participation agenda. And I think Northumbria University are very, very keen, to be part of that. At Northumbria University, we have talented staff who are subject experts. Some of them are trained in things like virtual reality, simulation, gamification, where we try to integrate different teaching strategies.
My name is Elena Henderson and I'm one of 4 workplace coaches here at Northumbria University. I think what our role does is it supports the programme teams as well as the employer to understand how their apprentice is developing. Our programme leads are very included in that process, so as coaches we will develop and provide feedback as part of our departmental apprenticeship journey meetings, which are held monthly, where we will present each apprentice, really give an overview of their journey and what we're supporting with at the moment, and I think that supports the programme team to really know what's going on from an apprenticeship point of view. And of course, supporting the organisation, we support with the compliance elements, so the Education Skills Funding Agency, ensuring that we're not in breach of seeing our apprentices outside of the 12-week window. So Northumbria is the best university to come to for these apprenticeships because we are the nursing provider of the year, as stated through the Student Nursing Times Awards this year. We are the Modern University of the Year, as through the Times and Sunday Times for our University of the Year Guide 2025. This is a place where we are really dedicated and really passionate to get you where you want to be in your career, and we will support you through your journey to ensure that you absolutely thrive and that you aim for success. I think as a university, the support you get here is second to none. I studied at Northumbria for all of my nursing career. I've done pre-reg, I've specialised here, I've got an MSc from here, and absolutely this is a full circle for me.
I've been working with Northumbria University for the last 16 years from the Trust, and in that time I've worked closely with all aspects of the nursing programme: adult, child, learning disability and mental health. Working with the colleagues at the university in the nursing department, they are fantastic. They are a great bunch of people. They are there for their students 100% of the time, and we are at the same time out in practice there for the students as well. And I believe that we work in true partnership and collaboration. You can pick up the phone, they will be there for you, every aspect. It's fantastic.
So my name's Claire, I work for Northumbria Healthcare Trust and I am a degree apprenticeship student nurse. So I'm currently studying the BSc with Honours Adult Student Nurse Apprenticeship within Northumbria University. So it's about, for me, progressing my career as a student nurse. So I've currently got a foundation degree as a nursing associate. So I had the opportunity to progress my career with the university, Northumbria University, and with Northumbria Healthcare Trust to top my degree up to become a registered nurse, which has been a long life aspiration of mine. So even from day one, I never felt out of place. There's all age groups here, there's all nationalities here, so it's quite an inclusive place to study. There have been times where I felt overwhelmed, whether that's because I'm a mature student and coming back to studying is a little bit more harder than perhaps coming straight from sort of A-levels and straight into university. But the support has been second to none, so I don't feel like I've struggled too much. As long as you seek the support is there and it's available, whether it be one-to-one sessions, group sessions, you know, little emails to tutors. There's not one thing that anybody's willing not to give, because everybody goes out their way to really help you, because Northumbria University don't want you to fail, and that's been quite apparent from day one. They want you to succeed. So Northumbria University is renowned for its reputation. It's got a really good reputation for its nursing studies, and it's great because it's face-to-face as well. And that's one thing I really liked when I took on this opportunity to become a student and to do my nursing degree, was that I previously studied online when I did my foundation degree, and it was all online. There was no real interaction with fellow students sort of in a classroom setting. And actually I felt like that I was able to gain some real learning and absorb a lot of that learning, because it's easy to read something off the screen, but actually being able to come into university, speak with your tutors and things like that, and your fellow students, it's so much better learning environment, and it's fun. It sounds daft, but actually it is fun, because we get the clinical practice and we get simulations, which is nervous. I mean, I'm not going to lie, some of it is a bit overwhelming, but actually it's a really good experience, so I have enjoyed that. For me, it was local as well. Northumbria University was so close to where I live as well, so that was another tick in the box. Go on, have faith, believe in yourself, just get to Northumbria University.